Mastering ISF Filing. Navigating quota restrictions for imports. Welcome back, customs brokers and importers. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into the concept of understanding ISF filing for imports with quota restrictions. International trade plays a crucial role in today's global economy. As an importer, it is essential to navigate the complex customs procedures to ensure a smooth flow of goods across borders. One important aspect of this process is the Importer Security Filing, or ISF. The ISF filing process is mandatory for imports entering the United States by ocean. It requires importers or their authorized agents to provide specific shipment information to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, in advance of the cargo being loaded onto the vessel. This filing helps the CBP assess any potential security risks associated with the cargo. When you're dealing with imports that have quota restrictions, it adds an extra layer of complexity to the ISF filing. Quota restrictions are imposed on specific goods to manage their import quantity, usually for reasons such as protecting domestic industries or controlling trade balance. Let's break down how ISF filing works for imports with quota restrictions. First and foremost, it's crucial to identify whether your imported goods fall under any quota restrictions. You can refer to the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, to determine if your goods have any quota limitations. Once you've confirmed that your goods are subject to quota restrictions, you will need to obtain the necessary quota documentation from the appropriate government agency. These documents will vary depending on the specific goods and countries involved. The next step is to ensure that the quota documentation is accurate and complete. It's important to carefully review and cross-check all the information to avoid any discrepancies or errors. Accuracy is vital when it comes to customs procedures, as even a minor mistake can lead to delays, penalties, or even having your cargo denied entry. With the quota documentation in hand, you can then proceed with the ISF filing process. It's crucial to provide accurate and timely information to the CBP, including details such as the shipper's name and address, consignee's name and address, a description of the goods, the country of origin, and the HTS code. An important thing to note is that the ISF filing for quota-restricted imports should be done separately and in addition to any other required customs filings, such as the entry summary. Lastly, it's vital to stay updated on any changes or modifications to the quota restrictions for your imported goods. Quota limits and guidelines can change periodically, so it's essential to maintain a proactive approach and monitor any updates from the relevant government agencies. So, customs brokers and importers, understanding the ISF filing process for imports with quota restrictions is crucial for a successful and compliant customs clearance. By following these steps and staying informed, you can navigate the complexities of international trade more efficiently. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We hope you found this deep dive into ISF filing for imports with quota restrictions helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will continue to provide valuable insights and tips for your customs brokerage needs. Until then, happy importing!